Ode to a loved one. Blessed as immortal gods is he, the youth who fondly sits by thee, and hears and sees the all the while softly speak and sweetly smile. 'Twas this deprived my soul of rest, and raised such tumult in my breast. For while I gazed in transport tossed, my breath was gone, my voice was lost. My bosom glowed, the subtle flame ran quick through all my vital frame. O'er my dim eyes darkness hung, my ears with hollow murmurs rung. In dewy damps my limbs were chilled, my blood with gentle horror thrilled. My feeble pulse forgot to play, I fainted, sank, and died away.